Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon chameleon. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my lesson today. We're going to be doing this little sticky chameleon sticking his tongue on this branch. Well, let's start with the lesson. So I'm going to be just building the fundamental basic shapes, his little head and his basic body there. I'm going to have his feet hanging, well, should I say dangling more so, and his arm. All right, as I'm sketching along, I'm actually looking at a model sheet that I create, a sketch that I did a while back ago. And I'm just using that as my reference to follow this lesson that I'm sharing with you now. So what I'm going to be doing always is sketch very lightly, and then I'll follow up with a little bit more heavier stroke. And this is normal speed for me right now. This isn't speeding up in any way. So working on his mouth wide open, and there you go, get his tongue. I got to make him sticking on that branch now. There we go. Get that branch there, wide open there. A little fun little character. All right, let's work on a little bit of his eyes right now, like he's like stuck, but he can't get down. Ever getting yourself in a spot like that you can't get out of? Well, that's this little bud here, got himself stuck on that branch, and now he's up there. Let's just shape his head up there. This is actually a fun little one to do. I might color him in later at another time. I didn't do that one yet. All right, a little dark. I'm trying to get that chin a little bit better. And that's the reason why I sketch light, because I can follow up and go a little bit heavier. Make sure you check out all our other videos too. They give a lot of different tips and techniques that I like you guys to really follow up. And that's the reason why I use traditional pencil and why I don't use a marker to do my sketching. There's a huge difference. As a professional artist, this is a true way to be sketching thumbnails, that you should be learning how to draw and getting your thoughts out and sketching. All right, so let's get the little basic shape underneath him there. Some of his little, and let's put on some on his back. Let's fix his back a little. Here we go. Mimic what was underneath his chin. Yeah, there we go. That's looking good. Working on his leg there. Following it through now. Yep, I'm liking that. Okay, let's work on his other toe there. That's looking good. A little darker. And then you can always follow up with taking this final sketch and taking it to your light box or to your window and adding a piece of paper on top. And from there, you can do your final clean rendering. All right, let's get his little belly there and his other little arm hanging down on the other side. Okay, let's work on his tail a little bit more. There we go. Finishing up the back. And normally you can have a real fun amount of different colors that he has. I don't know about you, but I'm thinking make a multi-colors with teal, blues, and greens. All right, let's make that like a candy cane type of a tail. And this is a neat thing. You can create your own imaginary chameleon and make him any size or shape, and the tail longer, bigger, skinnier. So even though you're following this little sketching lesson that we're doing right now, feel free to modify it to the way that you would like it. Maybe change the eyes to be different, closed or open, like I have it. I had eyelashes on there. So even though you're following my step-by-step, feel free to customize it for yourself and use your creative juices. All right, finishing up that tongue there. I think I'm just about done. As always, I share. Make sure we sign and date it. And thanks for watching this video. And make sure you check out all our other ones too. Have a great day.